So, I changed the plans a bit. Let me tell you a story behind it, because my brother moved out today and we were and helped him with moving in and stuff, carrying up all of his stuff, and my mom found a table in a second-hand shop for 10 Swedish crowns, which is like $1.5. Yeah, you heard that right, $1.5 for a table. And I unscrewed all of the legs of the table and replaced them with some others I found up in the house. And then I had to take some sandpaper and make it nice again. And yeah, because it was pretty shitty before. And then I screwed the other legs that I found, the new ones. I screwed them back onto it. And then now I have oiled it in. And I think it actually looks pretty dope. But it's pretty noisy in there. But I guess you can see it now.
Heart on fire, set my heart afire.
Yeah, it looks pretty nice, huh? And I wonder if I can't find any nice tuning options for it to hide all of those cables that we were working on yesterday. So yeah, should be some options. I thought maybe I can make I take the power, the power brick, and turn it upside down. And if I manage to screw it, or not screw it maybe, but if I manage to fasten it on like a wooden plate, then I could screw that one up in the table, and then I could all of the cables and that shit, I could just stuck them right up in the power brick, and then I just could take the cables and put them through a hole or something so I won't see them. Well, let's see about that. I am removing all of those LED straps that were on the back of or beneath my old table here, and they aren't really that sticky anymore like they were before, but should still do it. And tomorrow, when the other table has gotten away with the smell a bit, then we'll check if it fits in here. I actually hope it does, because it's a little bit bigger than this, which actually is quite good. But yeah, let's see about that tomorrow. And I thought I maybe could use this board this plank that I made yesterday, and still screw it underneath my other table. Like, 1 second. If I'm sitting there, and I will turn my power sticks around so they are up and down, and then I'll just make the board in front of them so I don't have to see them every time, but need power, then I'll just grab behind it and yeah, just reach it there. Kind of my idea. I fixed those wooden plates here on the back of this power brick with these rubber bands that are lying around, or sometimes, or a couple of times. And now the idea is that I'll fix this underneath and then just drill some holes into here, and then just fix them with some screws here, and then you won't see it because those boards, or that board that I made yesterday, will be in the way. And if you want to reach it, you just grab behind the board, and yeah, that's how you do it. Or I know these aren't really that stable, but I just guess you have to, I don't know, just grab it with your hands while you're pulling the adapter out of it. Okay guys, I'm done. But it even ended up cooler than I expected it to be. But yeah, see for yourself.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
So yeah, that's it. I ended up installing these LED straps again for my old table, and I can pick different colors, as you can see, and I can make some like a color play which it changes automatically and a little faster. And yeah, then as you see. And the cable management, the important part about this is underneath it. Let me just turn off the LED straps because they are a little bit too bright, and turn on that lamp there so you can see it underneath it. Of course, there's this cable from the lamp now, but just ignore that because that's not going to be there later. And this is my cable management. From the front, you can't really see it. Okay, you can see that one now, but that's only because I'm sitting on the floor right now. And this black shield here is blocking the view when I'm like this from above. And so I won't see all this mess up behind here. I ended up wrapping all of the cables around the big cable, which is going down here, tangled around this leg, and then into the power outlet. And all of the other cables that I'm gonna use here, I can still tangle them over here, so I won't see them. And then this shield here is blocking the view again. My computer, my speakers, and the LED strap here. Yeah, so those are all the cables. Let's see how this table looks when I put all my stuff on that, like computer and keyboard and all those speakers behind there. So as I did this setup, I noticed one thing. I don't have a headphone stand. Let me just fix this. 2 seconds. Didn't work. Maybe it's broken? Oh, now it worked. But I got one stand here, as I said. Took a little longer than 2 seconds, maybe like 3 or 4, but it was totally worth it. So now we can go and check out the setup that I got back there. got it. Let me just turn on the light so you can see it a little better. Down here I put this little thing here where I keep my stuff and all the cables and pens and stuff, and down there some other stuff that I don't use that much, and down here another drawer. I also keep the control for the lights down there, and a ruler and some papers, but that's on the table here. My mouse, the Logitech MX Master, a keyboard, the Sandstrom something, I don't know, and then there my Jabra Revo wireless on. Of course I got the wires back there, but on the stand I just built, and I actually found it quite interesting to make this, the top here, to make it a little like an M shape, so that I can keep the cables over this M, and then that'll go down here in the port or something, but so the cables are staying out of my way. As you can see, it's a little carved here, so the headphones fit in exactly. And on this little back stand, it's drawing fingerprints to it, but I guess I have to live with that. And yeah, then on the back here, that little attachment there that holds the cables. So this is my setup now, and with my little Zoom H2N as my mic. That's the setup, and then my chair fitting in here. Comfy enough. But guys, that's it for this video now, and I'm ending the video with my nice setup in the back now. But yeah, that's how I fixed my cable management. I hope you liked it, and how I fixed another setup, I might say. But yeah, I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cut!